Today's trial and error, we gotta make some patches because patches are just so expensive and it's not a real high quality. Went to my buddy's shop. He had a bunch of old car parts. We're gonna cut them apart. This angle looks really good, so we're gonna try using this either in here to fix this panel, or we need a back piece for it across the back here. I'll show you what we're talking about. Other piece we're looking at building is this piece back here, because I could bend it back and stuff, but it's still rusty up in here. So no matter what we do, we got to try to replace this. So we're thinking, if that metal's got close to the same bend, we can cut this panel down in here, add it, and we'll just put some pieces in here, grind this out good, and weld some pieces in here so we get the strength there, and that'll take care of that. Trial and error day. Went and bought a bunch of steel, the new steel. We're having issues with it. It's actually, wherever we bend it, in time it's cracking. We don't want to do this van and have the panel start cracking on it. So we're going to start with this door. We're cut the whole bottom half of this door off, and we're going to match it up, see how close it is. And it's already got a partial bend, and unfortunately we don't have a roller. A nice roller that we need is about $3,000-4,000. We don't want to spend that kind of money. So see how close we can get these panels that are pre-bent right from the factory. This is a GM door, Chevrolet door, really nice heavy built. So we can roll this into the door and stuff. Half the battle's done. It's already started. So we're going to show you today how we're going to try to assemble some panels on there. So let's get started. We're going to cut this piece up and go from there, see what we can do. Let's get her lined up.
You want me to go all the way to the end?
There we go. So we're going to start cutting this one up and see where it goes. Something new from Mountain Dew, thrashed apple, great with brandy, hard to get. If you can find it, buy it. Tastes just like a green apple, a little bit of brandy, can't beat it. Virtually one of the better things in life.
And that, folks, is how you get a $50 piece of sheet metal for almost free. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.